Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting permissions so the system can analyze surroundings. Without location and camera access, circle search won't function properly. Once permissions are set, open the S25 Ultra camera or the dedicated search app and select lens or circle search mode. Make sure to choose a well-lit subject and hold the phone steady. Position your thumb or finger to initiate the circle gesture if required, and tap the shutter or search icon to begin scanning the selected area immediately. Now you'll perform the actual circle. Draw or drag a precise circle around the object you want identified, keeping edges clear of clutter. Once the circle is set, adjust zoom slightly and tap exposure or focus to improve detail. This helps the algorithm distinguish fine textures and text. After you initiate the scan, the phone will analyze shapes, text, and visual cues, so stay steady and avoid panning. When results appear, review suggested matches and tap any result to see details or follow-up actions. Finish by selecting the action that matches your intent. Translate text, search the web, copy content, or find products to buy. Each option appears after analysis. Once you pick one, follow the on-screen steps to save, share, or perform in-app tasks like navigation or shopping. If accuracy is poor or the feature won't start, check permissions again, close and restart the camera or search app, and retry in better lighting. If problems persist, reboot the phone and test with a different subject to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.